The KXK Tilting Tree Shear is a new kind of model for tractors, forest machines, and cranes. The tree shear is built with a tilting cylinder, so after cutting the tree, you can move it in an upright position and release the tilt at desired location for stacking. The work with the tree shear is smooth and the functionality makes sure that there is no damage to the surrounding trees. By removing the blade and easily locking the tilting cylinder by twisting the valve, the tree shear transforms into a loading grapple for smooth and continuous flow of additional work steps. Want more profitability for your work machine? Find out the right model at KX-Treeshears.com.